Here we are at Kenilworth Junction. It's in the Network Rail working timetable. Hidden in the woods in the middle of Warwickshire on the Leamington Spa to Coventry line. There's a down freight liner. Kenilworth Junction, it's really a long passing loop, half a mile long, will fit these freight liners. So a loop, it's got a junction at both ends. Mostly the Leamington to Coventry line is single track, but this is the double track part in the midsection. If you photograph some sections of it like this, it looks like a double track main line, but that track on the left there, we'll see in a moment, that's really the loop. Here's another down Network Rail aggregates train. It's a good place to get up close. You can see this fence that I'm looking over, and you saw the walkers. They put a cycle path down it now. It's called the Greenway. On the path of the old, there used to be a junction here in steam days, and the line to the left, out of sight to the left of this picture, used to go down to Berkswell and then on to Birmingham, bypassing Coventry. Here's an up freight liner. It's going into the loop, so it'll start to slow down in a moment. Because it's timed to sit there for about 10 minutes in the morning, and it lets at least one, maybe two passengers past on the near side line. We'll try and follow the route of this through Kenilworth. So that's on the up. It's going from Coventry towards Leamington Spa and then on to the south. This will have come from Basford Hall, I think, and is going on to Freightliners Maritime. It's slowing down now. We're going to pick up this, this is down at Kenilworth Station, the same train on the same day. You've got enough time to get from there, Kenilworth Station. It's the same train with 66590. And that's continuing its journey southbound. See, Kenilworth Station itself is just single track now. There were plans, it was part of an upgrade a few years back to make the double track section really run from Leamington to the top of Kenilworth Junctions. Maybe one day they'll get round to it and then they can put another platform in at Kenilworth. As the double track loop is about a mile north of here. So that one trundles on its way. This is from the bridge on Common Lane in Kenilworth. Is the northbound freight liner. Shows the layout. That's the footpath, cycle path, the Greenway on the right. So you've got good safe access, and off this bridge you can get good views. Going north to Coventry. Some other views you can get in the woods here, called Kenilworth Common. That's the morning freight liner again going into the loop and stopping. The up end of the loop is a bit inaccessible. This sequence shows that freight liner having left the up end of the loop, and it's on a single line section into Kenilworth. This is that same train, and this is a bit further south than the end of the junction, but it's stopped for 10 minutes, let some trains pass, and now it's heading down towards Kenilworth Station and Leamington. See how it's all really quite hidden away behind the trees and the shrubs. And there's Kenilworth Station in the distance. You see, the double track could go all the way through here, so it's just a matter of planning and finance, and that would certainly upgrade the line. I'll just show this bit again. This is down trackside, and on the down there's a freight liner with not many containers on it going north. It's nice to get close to these trains like this. You can feel what's going on. And the safe footpath and bench. And you can see a bit more of that footpath on the left there. That's the old track bed down to Warwickshire. Used to be a signal box in the middle, back where that big tree is. There's the signals that protect the down direction. And there's the signals that protect the south, that's the up direction. They're both controlled, I think, by Leamington. And here's a view of that up end of the loop, showing the signals. You can't get near it, but you can get this view from Park Hill Road Bridge. There's a Voyager going north. See the track with the trees all around. We're going to show you a sequence of piece of track plant coming into the loop, stopping at the signals, and a fast train going by it, and then the tamper or the track vehicle will be on its way when the signals change. And the driver's got sight of that signal now. He's going to pull forward to it, come under the bridge that I'm standing on. In Kenilworth, that road is called Park Hill, and there's the signals. Come to a stop at the red, and look, the right hand track, and oh, there's a Voyager, a southbound Voyager already passing. So the signalling is slick. As soon as the freight or the track vehicle gets in the loop, then the passenger trains can come by. He's timetabled to wait a couple of minutes. And get the green light and go south. And just to demonstrate how the traffic mostly uses the main line, shall we say, on the right hand side. There is a local passenger service, the Leamington Spa service, and that's a southbound one, and that's on the running main line. And come northbound. And let's just see how that works coming into Kenilworth Station. Again, Kenilworth Station, as we've said, is just single track, but there is space there to put another track in. The double track, or the loop, is about a mile north of here, which we've seen. So this shuttles between Leamington and Leamington Spa, run by West Midlands Railway. And let's see that down at the Leamington end. This is Leamington Junction, and that's coming down off the branch into the Leamington Spa station area. where it will reverse like this and come back out again, traverse the same tracks that it went in on. There's Leamington Station in the distance. And that'll go back towards Kenilworth in Coventry. And for the first part of its journey, with the down train, it'll be on the up line. But then, as we'll see, there's a nice little crossover that will put it back onto the down line. And that's double track all the way to Milverton Junction, which then is single track to Kenilworth. Just show Kenilworth again. The other passengers are mostly these voyagers, whiz through. And I'll show you a Freightliner coming through. That shows the single track coming through nicely, although, as we've said, there is room for a double track there. So all in all, you get a lot of varied traffic on the line. You've got the local train, passenger trains, you've got the express trains whizzing through, you've got the freights and the infrastructure traffic. And I'll just show you what those trains look like when they get down to Leamington. These are going south towards Leamington and the south. So the Voyager comes down that's going south down to Reading. And here's our Freightliner. It's a busy junction, this itself, Leamington Junction, joins up with the Chiltern line, so, and there's more of every type of traffic at Leamington. But the Kenilworth Junction line, the Kenilworth line, quite varied, worth a visit. Hidden in the trees, worth a visit. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thank you.